Hi, welcome to FluxBuilder, a drag-and-drop app builder that creates mobile apps for your website easily and quickly with beautiful UI and rich features. Starting with FluxBuilder 2.0.4, you now have the option to choose from 4 different styles for the profile screen, allowing you to select the UI that suits your preferences the most. Let's get started by logging in to FluxBuilder. If you do not have an account, sign up for free with your email. Select the app you created or select any of the apps in the Featured Apps section below. Select the Profile tab. This is the default UI of the settings screen. Now there are 4 different styles for the profile screen. Now let's change the color of these icons. Click here to change the light theme color. You can see the color has changed. That's all. Let's subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get new videos for free. Thank you.